Hey everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Facebook account on the latest version of the app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once inside, tap on the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines. From there, tap the gear icon to open Settings and Privacy. In the Settings and Privacy menu, select Account Center. Now, scroll down and tap on Personal Details. Next, under Personal Details, tap on Account Ownership and Control. This will take you to a new page where you'll see an option for deactivation or deletion. Tap on it. If you have multiple accounts linked, select the Facebook account you want to delete, then choose Delete Account. A prompt will appear explaining that all your profile data will be permanently deleted. Tap Continue. You'll see a warning that any linked pages will also be deleted. Tap Continue. Facebook will then ask for a reason for deleting your account. You can choose any option and tap Continue again. You'll be asked one last time to confirm your choice, so tap Continue once more. Finally, enter your Facebook password to confirm the deletion. Once done, your account will be logged out and the deletion process will begin. It takes 30 days for your account to be permanently deleted. If you log back in during this period, the deletion will be canceled. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now scheduled for deletion. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.